Welcome to How to Earn Money Through Canva tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you the fourth method of how to earn money through Canva. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. This method is about starting a clothing store. Using Canva, you can easily create t-shirts or any clothing templates, and you can sell your own designs. Easily you can type t-shirt and you will find t-shirt templates here that you can manipulate. I will choose this template and you can click on customize. Then you can change anything like the picture, the words. I will write here rat. Now this is another design that you can sell at your own. Here you can write your user or your site, and then after you finish the design you can add it to a Shopify account or any seller account and start selling your designs. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.